Thank you, Maharishi. This is a question that might be appropriate for this holiday season. It asks, throughout the ages, during the time of Buddha, the time of Christ, the time of Muhammad, and certainly in today's world, there are always people who claim to be enlightened or who claim to speak the truth. How does an unenlightened person like myself know when another person is, in fact, enlightened and therefore speaking a truth worth following?
The answer is the taste of pudding is in eating. Somebody is eating the pudding. He says, how nice and so beautiful and all that. How do I know that he is saying right? I have to eat the pudding and then I can say he was saying right or wrong. There is no way for anyone, without experiencing the reality, to judge the emotions of the other man, whether he is saying right or wrong. There is no way, there is no way, there is no way. The taste of pudding is in eating. You get to know it and then you get to know it, that's all. Without knowing it, you cannot. Because it's a thing that is devoid of any duality. There is no experiencer experienced in the process of experiencing in that field. It is it, that's all. It is it. Without being it, one could keep on gesturing about it. It's not through lecturing, it's not through hearing, it's not through anything other than being. Because on its own level it is that. Not on any other level. That's why transcendental, and that's why the significance of transcendental meditation, a process that takes the conscious mind to trickle down in sequence and come to that field where the individuality is no more in space and time boundaries. It is unbounded, being it. Then one knows, yes, what I was hearing was the right thing. Without experience, there is no way to know. That's why those who start meditation, in the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they open the eyes and say, thank you very much, thank you very much. They have taken a dive into it. Don't know how much they have gone, but they have gone enough to say, thank you. In one first dive, whether it was dive to the bottom of the lake or just the surface of the lake, but he has dived into it. Then he has some kind of taste, some taste of it. So simple. But when the man has lived a life of suffering, never he was given any experience of transcending or any peep into that reality, never in life, and he has become old and 70 years, and all his children and grandchildren say, oh, you are the wisest amongst us because you are the oldest. But the oldest knows, he doesn't know. So all these people, presidents and prime ministers and all this, they're all aged people. and they talk better than others, or they can have some all this lecturing capacity, but that's not the administratorship. The administratorship is in the technique of arriving at the door from where natural law obeys your command. Open to everyone, open to everyone. Do it. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your life in either this thing, little thing, that thing, little thing. No, no. It's not the name of religion that will help you. It's the experience of religious practice, which is exploration of the light of God, that will help you. Your name, Muslim or Christian or Buddhist or Hinduism or anything, it's not the name of religion that will help you. It is the experience of religious life, which is the light of God, that will help you. Start transcendental meditation and know it. Don't waste your life in the name of religion or in the name of God or in the name of science or in the name of arts or this or this. It's a waste of precious life, waste of precious life.